Okay, so here we have a 750 watt metal halide lamp, and this is the LED corn light replacement by Olympic Lighting. It's 150 watts, it's a 5500 Kelvin Mogul E39 base. It does come with a 5-year warranty, and it's rated for 50,000 hours. It will replace the MH750 or MVR 750 pulse start metal halide lamp. You do just disconnect the ballast, run the power straight to the socket, and then you can screw this in. If you do have a 480 volt application, we do carry a step down transformer. The GE part number is 74119. You can just type that in the search box and it will come up. They're around 20 bucks. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at the phone number at the end of the video. Thank you so much.